Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Leo's Multiworld. Today I'm going to make Canary Melon or Winter Melon juice. Canary melon is a large, bright yellow melon with a pale green to white inner flesh. This melon has a sweet flavor that is slightly tannier than a honeydew melon. The flesh looks like that of a pear but is softer. First we have to remove the seeds from the fruit and cut it into pieces. Take a jar, add all this and make a fine paste. I'm making this juice for 4 people. Add 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. Transfer this into a bowl and add 250 ml of milk. Add soaked basil seeds. Mix it well. Now our juice is ready. I'm going to garnish it with dry cherries. Please try this recipe and send your feedback on the comment section.